We're gonna go this spot since you know the VOD where green is. Because I showed you guys. So yeah. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go. Daddy, follow me. If you want to go on the ditch. Wait, Daddy. Do you want to go on the... I'm going to go down here. Wow. Okay, my dad's up. My dad is up. He has not given up yet. Let's go. Okay, let's make a conversation. So, while we were going into the ditch, you saw how I almost jumped? Yeah, I jumped and I made it with a safe and smooth ending. And my dad made a clumsy business ending. When you go on the ditch, you have to have a smooth ending. But the first time I went there, I fell into the woods. I fell inside the woods, exactly. Not all the way down, I think just halfway down. Shit! He almost hit me, but... Yeah, and then my mom said to go through the path. I'm like, what path are you talking about? And she's like, the path like going around the Story Woods. I'm like, it's not called. She didn't really actually say Story Woods. She just said like. Like she said go around the woods. I think she said that. But and I'm like, what woods? She's like, I'm like, what do you? I can't. It's too steep for me. I think I said that. And then she was like, okay then. And then my dad went in there and helped me out with his pole. That was very disrupting, and now it's like almost at the middle of the night. It was very disrupting, very uncasual. Of conversation. So yeah. And while I was taking this video, somewhere around like almost around here, I don't know which story level it was, but it was somewhere, and I almost bumped into a snowboarder, but I managed to escape. We are not going on the blue and back, even though what my dad said so. Actually, let's go on the blue and back. Actually, let's go to the blue and black.
You want to go there?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This might be disruptive and unconscious. But at least I know what I'm doing, I hope. Okay, this is what we got so far. We can do this. Let's do a conversation so we don't get disrupted. So while I was like skiing down one time, I wanted to stop my dad because I wanted to be in front of him, and he did not wait for me. He just slid down all the way, and I got very mad at him. We made it. Impressive. Whoa, almost fell there.